Pandas creating new column based on consecutive duplicates. I have a pandas data frame like the one below, where column A is a series of strings, and values in column B are true/false depending on whether the value of column A is the same as the value of column A in the previous row. I want to add a new column, C, that assigns the same value, it can be any value, to all consecutive duplicate entries, but this value must be unique from the values assigned to other groups of consecutive duplicate entries. For example, any thoughts about how to go about this in an efficient way?
Try with group B and group +1. Be sure to sort equals false to make sure groups are created in the order they appear in the data frame. Or either of the following can be used directly, assuming values appear in sorted order with CumSum. This would be equivalent to which would be the standard way to solve this problem if the B column was not already calculated.
Try with shift combine with CumSum.
I think that's what you are looking for.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.